Learning English. Ordinal numbers in everyday life. Welcome to our English language learning video on ordinal numbers in everyday life. In this video, we will explore how ordinal numbers are used in various situations to describe the order or sequence of things. Let's get started. Ordinal numbers are commonly used when talking about dates. We use them to express the order of days within a month. For example, the 1st of January, the 2nd of February, the 3rd of March. These examples show how ordinal numbers are used to describe the specific order of days in a month. Ordinal numbers are also used to express rankings. When we want to talk about the position of something in a list or a competition, we use ordinal numbers. For instance, he came in first place in the race. Our team finished second in the competition. She received the third highest score in the exam. These examples demonstrate how ordinal numbers are used to indicate the position or rank of something. Ordinal numbers can be used to give directions or describe the order of places. Let's say you are giving someone directions to a specific location. Take the first left after the traffic lights. Go straight until you reach the second roundabout. Turn right at the third intersection. By using ordinal numbers, you provide clear instructions on the order of turns or landmarks someone should follow to reach their destination. Ordinal numbers are frequently used to describe the order of steps or actions in a process. For example, first, gather all the necessary ingredients. Second, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Third, mix the dry and wet ingredients together. By using ordinal numbers, you can guide someone through a series of steps or actions in a logical sequence. Congratulations! You have now learned about ordinal numbers in everyday life. We covered their usage in dates, rankings, directions, and sequences. Remember to practice using ordinal numbers in your daily conversations to improve your English skills. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has been helpful in your language learning journey. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!